here and you're on this question. Summative written task 1, level 3 question. So this is where we're looking for you to kind of work through your benchmark levels and try and get a bit of evidence that's going to show that you have a good, solid understanding of the topic and how you need to work through it. Okay, and to do this we have some benchmark style questions, and this one's linked to you can provide at least 2 valid opinions about the impact on people's lives of a major socio-economic change in the past. And to do that we're going to answer the question, how did the failure of the Darien scheme impact the development of Scotland? Alright, so when you're doing this, I want you to go back to the PowerPoint that you've been focusing on. Okay, so if I do that, I'm just going to click here, and you'll see there's the question there again. It's the exact same slide on slide 31. Now, what I've put in there, well, what we have in here is a writing frame. Right, so I'm going to quickly walk through this, scroll around a wee bit, give you some examples like what we would give you in class, and it may help you answer the question a wee bit more. All right. So here's a wee writing frame. I'm just going to go through this to start off with. The failure of the Darien scheme impacted the development of Scotland negatively or positively. Put whichever one you think is there. Because it, then I want you to look at your mind maps that you made. So as you worked through the tasks, you went through these different things. How did it impact negatively or positive? So if you were going to say it negatively impacted the development of Scotland because it hurt Scottish morale. Okay, so it hurt Scottish morale. Okay, and then you see here, there's some extra information that you took notes on in your mind map. The Darien venture was a complete disaster for Scotland. The blow to Scottish morale was huge. So as you go down and you're answering this question, all right, you may look to go through and answer it this way. Okay. The failure of the Darien scheme impacted the development of Scotland. Impacted the development of Scotland, I need to change that, negatively because it hurt the morale of Scots. Then insert a fact from your slide. Hurt the morale of Scots. Because the Darien scheme was such a disaster, it made people in Scotland feel bad about themselves. Okay. Then I want you to do another reason that's the same way. Like I said, I'm going to be changing the wording there. Then I want you to put another reason in here. Okay, and I want you to go through these 8 things about why it was good, or what the impacts were, what the aftermath left. All right, if you have any questions, get in touch with your teacher and go from there. Okay, right, good luck.